For weeks, I heard from sources in the neighborhoods, the faith community, and even from funeral directors. They feared New York City's coronavirus death toll only told part of the story. They worried people who died at home and never made it to the hospital were not being counted. So the city now factors in those probable COVID-19 cases, and the death toll jumped by 50%. Counting the cases.
We are trying to get out data constantly and more and clearer.
As the mayor's office releases the coronavirus death toll for the city, they are now including the number of probable COVID-19 deaths, people who passed away before they were tested for coronavirus, but their death certificates list as a cause of death, COVID-19, or an equivalent.
Wherever the facts take us, I want the whole truth out.
We went from about 7,000 to over 10,000 as the total death toll. A dramatic change.
Councilman Mark Levine is chair of the City Council's Health Committee.
So I think all of us knew early on that we were missing some cases, partly because we haven't had enough testing capacity, partly because of people who are passing away at home.
Brooklyn funeral director Lisa Dozier says she's overwhelmed responding to houses and apartments.
To put it in context, I had 3 house removals within a 3-hour span, and it started at 1:30 in the morning.
For Councilman Levine, New Yorkers dying at home without a COVID-19 test exposes deep inequities.
And it's probably indicating that there are more low-income people in communities of color who were not under medical care at the time of their death.
A concern shared by public advocate Jamani Williams.
We need a task force now to fix it, to put money and policy in places to address the disparities that have been going on for so long that this virus is now highlighting in such a magnified way.
And back to the numbers today, the health commissioner said her department has now started a moment of silence for the victims, reminding themselves that behind each number is the life of a New Yorker that has been lost. Reporting from City Hall, Ayana Harry, Pix 11 News.